Hello students. Now today we will do the revision of this lesson to Windows Movie Maker. So today we will do the revision of that how we add the title, caption and credits in the video. So title, caption and credits add a text-based information to the movie. So adding titles also means you want to add any text information on the movie, like what is the name of the movie. Adding credits also means adding text information like uh, who is the producer, who is the director, or the name of the characters in the movie, all these things, actor and actresses, as you see, all these are the credits. Okay, so the titles are added to the beginning of the selected clip. So any clip you selected at the beginning, we write its a title. While credits are added at the end of the entire project. So credits as you see when the movie is finished, so all the credits who have helped, their names are displayed. So credits are added at the end of the entire project, title at the beginning. Captions added as a text to an individual clip provide relevant information for a particular clip because the movie contains suppose 500 clips. So in any particular clip, if you want to add some text information, some dialogue, so there sometimes you see the music of sadness, the music of joy, the music of valor, all these things you find some captions information where a movie is going on. Next is adding title, that how you add the title to the clip. So select the clip first of all where you want to add the title. Click on the title button present on the home tab. See in the home tab you will find the title. There is a title, caption, credits. So click on the title. A text box will appear in the preview monitor panel and there you can type the text in the text box. So here see nature is typed. So now customize the title using the text tools using contextual tools. So many text tools are there. So you can customize it, its font, its size. So you will notice that the text tools are similar to those available in the Microsoft Office program and Word. The primary difference is that what you now have the options of setting the starting time and the duration of the text. That when this text will display on the clip and for what duration, for 10 seconds, 20 seconds. So whatever the duration you will set till that time, that text will appear on the movie. The start time controls how soon the text appears, means when the text will come on the screen, and the text duration specifies for how long that it remain on the screen, for how long you can see the text on the clip. You can edit the title by selecting the different font styles. That you can edit it also. You can just select any different styles, color schemes also, text color also you can change. Duration of the text given under the format tab, that also you can change. You can increase the duration, you can decrease the duration. Both the things you can do. Okay. Now to apply the animation effects, you can use any of the effects given in the effects group. Just a minute. After see, let me see this page number. This is page number 27 and this is page number 26. Okay. Now to apply the animation effects on the text, you can use any of the effects given in the effect group. So you can even you can view more effects by clicking to the more drop down menu. Here is your drop down button is there on the right side of the effects panel. So see the format in the effects group. Click on the format tab. In the effects group you will see so many animation effects are there. Select it. See that here you have typed in the text box nature, and this nature, see this nature you have typed in the text box. The preview pen. Now here you can see it. How we add, now see here, let's know more. So you can use fade in option to gradually increase the volume of audio in the beginning and fade out option to gradually decrease it in the end. So when the movie is about to end, so its audio will start fading out. When the movie will start its reduce, will start fade in, means increase, gradually it will increase, the volume will increase. So the movie is starting. It's so very nice when you see the movie also. All these effects you can notice. So visual effects can only be applied to the objects, not on the title. Visual effects can only be applied to the objects, not on the title. So this visual effects we apply on the objects, not on the title, what we have said on the text. That is the visual effect on the scenes only. Adding captions and credits. Captions and credits can be added and formatted to the clip in similar manner as the title is added. Now see here, this is the adding caption. Little panda on this scene clip is added. While saving the movie, you can choose the output settings by clicking on the arrow present on the save movie button. So while saving this movie, you can choose the output settings by clicking on the arrow present on the save movie button. So on the save movie button when you click, it allows you to optimize the movie for a particular set of devices such as Android phone, Windows phone, high definition display, email, etc. Okay, so this means that while saving the movie, you can choose the output settings by clicking on the arrow present on the save movie button. So on that arrow you click, you will get the options to optimize the movie for a particular set of device so that it should be compatible for that. Either you are using the Android phone, so such as Android phone, you can select Windows phone, so Windows phone or high definition display for the email you want to attach, anything you can. On this given option you can select. Okay. Now this is the credits you can add. This is the video tools. So many tools are there in the video tools. You can see the so many effects are there. This is the outline size. Now we move to the next. Editing media clips. How you edit the media clips. So after importing a video clip, video music or image in the project, we can arrange them according to our choice in the storyboard pane. So to edit the media clip, follow the given steps. In the storyboard pane, you can see this position, this clip you can drag from this position to this position. So that will exchange. So penguin will come here, penguin, and this image will go there. So the storyboard pane, add pictures, video clips together. Click and drag the picture video, then place it anywhere in the storyboard pane. So on the storyboard pane, it is very easy to arrange the clips order. Just by dragging, you can arrange the clips. You can reduce the duration of the video clip with the help of the trim tool present in the editing group on the edit tab. So with the help of the trim tool, you can cut the scenes. So with this, any pictures, any scene, any video clip, you can trim it. So a new trim tab will appear on the menu bar displaying its tools. So see that here, this displaying trim tab, start point, end a point which you want to trim. Now it will be trimmed. Save it. A new trim tab will appear on the menu bar displaying its tools. Enter the trim duration, that is the 4 second in the start point category, and click on the save trim button in the trim group to accept the change. See in the edit tab, there is a trim tool. If you click on this, this dialog box will open. Similarly, you can shorten the video from its end by changing the values of endpoint. From the endpoint, you can change its value. Now play the video by clicking on the play button on the preview monitor panel. You'll observe the video is trimmed in the second, trimmed in to whatever the seconds you have set, that seconds duration will be trimmed. Now how you save a movie. So once all the media files are imported into the project, save it by clicking the movie maker button, and selecting the save project option. Now the save project dialog box will appear like this. So when you click here into movie maker button, you'll find the save project option, click on this and this dialog box will open, and it will ask you name. Specify the desired name in the file name. Here file name, you get file name and click on the save button here. Now your movie will be saved. Okay, so this is all for today, students. In the next class now, in the next class we'll do the revision of the remaining topics, that how we export a movie. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you for your attention.